friends! We all know that soil is an important part of our planet, but many of us don't know how important it really is. You can think of the soil as the skin of the earth. Just like our skin, the soil protects the inner parts from the outside world. The soil also provides food and water, and it helps regulate the climate. The problem is that we humans have been treating the soil very badly. We have put dangerous chemicals into it, taken too much from it, and in some places used it as a dumping ground for our waste. As a result, we are now facing serious soil-related problems, like soil erosion, desertification, salination, and acidification. These problems not only affect the environment, but also our health and well-being. For example, soil erosion causes the loss of fertile topsoil, which leads to less food production. Desertification turns productive land into desert, causing sandstorms and making people homeless. Salination and acidification also reduce the fertility of the soil and make it less suitable for growing crops. But don't worry, because we can take action to protect and restore the soil. One way we can do this is by raising public awareness about the importance of soil conservation. Many people don't realize that the soil is in danger, so they don't take steps to protect it. If we can teach people about the threats to the soil and what they can do to help, we can make a big difference. Another way we can protect the soil is by changing the way we farm. Instead of using harmful chemicals, we can use natural methods to fertilize and control pests. We can also plant trees and crops that help keep the soil in place and prevent erosion. Finally, we need to stop dumping waste and other harmful materials into the soil. This means finding other ways to dispose of our garbage and cleaning up the soil that has already been polluted. It also means holding companies and individuals accountable when they damage the soil. You may be just one person, but you can make a big difference. You can start by learning more about the soil and the problems it faces. You can then take action to protect the soil in your own life, such as by changing the way you farm or garden, or by advocating for policies that protect the soil. Protecting the soil is not just important for the environment, but also for our own survival. So let's all do our part to save the skin of the earth. Thank you.